If you want to build custom tools in Flowise and use n8n to save that information inside of your CRM or any other application you can think of, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a custom tool and integrate it with n8n inside of Flowise, and at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the template entirely for free. So jumping right into it, we're in the Flowise canvas. As you can see, I have a tool agent set up with memory, OpenAI, and a knowledge base connected. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and click on the plus on the left hand side and search for custom tool. We're going to take the custom tool node and we're going to drag it in. First things first, we're going to go ahead and connect the custom tool over to the tool agent, which will allow it to use the custom tool. Now the template is the first link in the description. It's our free community. Join there and you're going to be able to download this template. You can then go ahead and navigate outside here, go to tools, and in the tools field you can click on load to actually import the file, which is available in the community. Once you've gone ahead and done that, when you select this custom tool dropdown, you should see the save phone number YouTube tool. Now once you've selected that tool and you click on edit, you're going to see that we have a tool name. We have a tool description, which tells the AI when to use this tool. In this case, we're going to be saving a phone number in a CRM. We then have some properties added, such as the phone number, which is a string, and it's the phone number of the user, as well as the conversation summary, which is a brief 2-sentence summary. Both of these fields are required, so the AI needs to fill them in. And then down here, we have JavaScript code. Now, as you guys can see, we have a URL here. So you're going to have to enter your URL where it says URL here. And down here, we have the variable specified. So we have phone number and conversation summary. Now you can adjust this to have the variables whatever way you want. So I'm just going to show you a quick use case. For example, we're going to try and save the name of the user, which is also a string. And we're going to say the name of the user as a description. Now we're going to make this mandatory because maybe the AI doesn't have the name of the user, so we're not going to make it required. And in order to add that in, all we need to do is actually add a comma here, go down one. We're then going to do name, and we're going to do a $ and name, which defines the variable from up here. Now it's important to not add another comma here because it's the last one in the list, so just leave it like this, and you're going to be good to go. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go inside of n8n. We've set up a new flow. We have the webhook node over here. We're going to click on that, click on test URL, copy the test URL, and click on listen for test event. We're now going to go back into Flowise. We're going to paste the URL where it says URL here, and we're going to go ahead and save the tool. Now that we've saved the tool, make sure to save the entire project. But before we do that, just one more important mention. Inside the tool agent, if you go into the prompt, you need to make sure to have a tools section which specifies when to use the tool. So I've specified when a user provides a phone number, use the save phone number tool to save the information into the CRM. Now once you've added that and you're ready to test, all you need to do is click on the chat bubble, and we're going to have a quick mock conversation saying, hey, my name is Emil and I'm struggling to get clients on IG. Now the AI has replied, and I'm going to say my phone number is, and I'm just going to make up a phone number. Now it should use the custom tool to actually save that phone number. As you can see, it actually ran the tool. If we click here, we can see that it input the phone number, a conversation summary, and my name, and it was a success. Now if we go back into n8n, you can see that we got the output data right here, and in the body we received the phone number, the conversation summary, and the name. We can now go into a next step. You can do any app basically, so they have HubSpot, they have Go High Level, they have Google Sheets, they have tons of CRMs, Airtable, Asana, whatever you want to use. Now in this case, I'm actually just going to set up a simple Gmail automation. So I'm going to go to Gmail. I'm going to say send message. So we're going to send a message in Gmail. I'm going to go ahead and send the email to myself. We're going to select the subject. And inside of the message, we can go to the left-hand side and we can actually take the variables and drag them in here to actually pass those variables. Now, I'm not going to go too much into depth on how to actually do all of the n8n stuff to actually save it in a CRM, etc. But you have the variables right here and can connect different nodes. The same concept would apply with Make or with Zapier. And once you actually send out this email, you would then have all of that information inside of your inbox, or if you use any of the other nodes, you would have it saved inside of your CRM. Now, as I said, the code for the custom tool and the custom tool template is down below in the description. First link, get it there for free. Use this inside of Flowise. I'm excited to see what use cases you guys come up with. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.